5 quick tips for starting your ketogenic diet journey. Keto tips. Starting a ketogenic diet can be exciting and challenging. Here are 5 quick tips to help you on your journey. Educate yourself. Understand the basics of ketosis by researching what happens in your body when you transition to burning fat instead of carbohydrates for energy. Knowing what to expect prepares you for the transition. Plan your meals. Create a meal plan focusing on low carbs and high fats, such as avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish. Consider incorporating intermittent fasting to enhance ketosis. This helps keep you on track and makes grocery shopping more efficient. Stock up on keto-friendly foods. Fill your pantry with healthy fats, meats, and low-carb veggies. Don't forget snacks like nuts and cheese for when you're on the go. Monitor your progress. Track your weight, ketone levels, and how you feel each day. Adjust your diet accordingly to achieve your goals. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, at least 8-10 glasses a day. Consider adding electrolytes to your drinks to replenish what you lose during ketosis. Staying hydrated is key to avoiding the keto flu. If you experience symptoms, take a break and focus on maintaining a balanced intake. Be patient. Results take time, often several weeks to feel optimal benefits. Stay committed and give your body time to adjust. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Seek support. Join a keto community or find a friend to start along with you. Sharing your journey and challenges can help you stay on track. Want to learn more? Visit our website.